JRT Prod Squad represent, man. It's your boy Johnny here with JRTProductions. If this is your first time at the channel, man, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, man, for some more great content. Check out my previous videos on all the modifications I've done to the car. So far, the response has been pretty good. I think you guys like it. I know you guys want to see more, and I definitely got more coming for you. Okay, so today's video, man, I just really wanted to get you guys' opinion. I need your feedback because I know a lot of y'all out here have some really dope cars, challenges, chargers, and I need your feedback on something. And I'm about to be honest with y'all and tell y'all the truth about something that I've been doing for a long time that I know for a fact that I should not have been doing. And the car is slowly paying for it, slowly but surely paying for it. So I got a confession. The summertime is here now. We went from winter to summer, just being real. So I started washing my car. Well, I've been washing my car, going through an automatic car wash.
Whoa,
I know.
Somebody get this.
No. And it's not even a brushless car wash. It's got the big cloth brushes, and it's just a whole lot of abrasion and, you know, a whole lot of stress on the paint job. And I mean, it hasn't like destroyed the car or the paint job, but there are definitely some blemishes, and I will show those to y'all. Mainly to the wheels. So you guys already know how automatic car washes go. You know, you ride in, you get on the track, and that's, you know, certain stuff happens. I mean, that's just how it is. But so what I'm really trying to do, I know I'm not doing it anymore, and that's why I had to give a confession to you guys, and, you know, just let y'all know what's been going on. So yes, I have been going through automatic car wash, but I will no longer be doing that. I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. So sorry. So, I mean, you guys know it's mainly for the convenience. It's just convenient. I mean, I got a monthly membership where I can just ride through as much as I want. You know, ride through clouds, rain, snow, hail, whatever. Ride through again, you know, as much as I want. It's like 30 bucks a month, which is very convenient. And, you know, it's like certain times when, you know, I might hit up a car show or something like that, and it's like on a spot where I need a quick clean or something. So I've been doing that, but over time, you know, it does take its toll on the car and the paint job and things like that. So what I need you guys' help on is I'm going to the store. You know, I'm going to, I don't know which store yet. You guys can probably let me know that too. But I'm putting together a kit. I'm putting together a little kit that I can keep in my trunk that, you know, I can have like my car wash stuff, you know, maybe some polish or some tire shine, some good microfiber cloths or something. Just some good touch-up stuff that I can, you know, like I can do a full wash myself and keep it up to par as far as, you know, the washing and everything is concerned, and just to upkeep, you know, the management of the car, something that's going to help, you know, keep things going. Let me pan over here because I got the sunlight going. Okay, so I can just keep, you know, everything nice as long as possible, as much as possible. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, man. And, you know, I don't want to keep going through the automatic car wash because I know for a fact, you know, I got some scratches on my wheels, just a little bit here and there from that track, you know, at the car wash. And I mean, yeah, it's convenient, but like I said, it takes its toll after a while. So in the comments below, man, please give me, you know, all of your opinions on what products I can use. You know, I'm gonna get a bag and I'm gonna have everything sitting like right there in the trunk, so I'm ready. You know, anytime I need to, because I'm gonna hand wash my baby. I'm a hand washer, but I need to know like some of the best stuff to use that's gonna help, you know, take care of the paint job, you know, shining, just something to help keep it up. You know what I mean? So, and I know y'all guys know, and I trust y'all. You know what I'm saying? I really trust y'all. Y'all feel like a family to me, and I trust your opinion. Because y'all keep it real with me. Y'all do. I see in the comments. Y'all keep it real with me. So that's all I really wanted, man. I just wanted to just share that with y'all, man. And please leave your feedback in the comment section below. let me know. I'm starting from scratch on a kit, you know, just trying to, you know, a hand wash kit, or, you know, just some stuff I could put together to wash this car, you know, from start to finish, from the, you know, the washcloths or the foam sponges all the way to the drying and everything, you know, just trying to see how I can do it, because I noticed, and like I said, I'll show y'all some parts out there, you know, on the outside of the car where it's like, you know, it's just not, I can tell it's got to be the automatic car wash that's not doing it. You know, it might not be hitting certain areas right, or it might be hitting certain areas wrong. It might not be hitting certain areas at all. That's a problem too. But anyway, y'all, if this is your first time at the channel, you like the video, man, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay safe out here in these streets, man. It's Johnny with JRTProductions, JRT Pro Squad represent. I'm out. Peace.